Inviting clients takes place in Neos. First, confirm with the client that you have their correct email address and mobile number in the Party tab. It's best to introduce the client to the portal during the outset of the case. Using a script like this sets the expectation for the client and gets them to confirm their account. After our call, you'll receive an email invitation to access our client portal. We'll use the portal to exchange messages, share files, and send you updates about your case. Once you log in, send a message through the portal to let me know that you've logged in successfully. A special checklist item with code @CP has been added to Neos that's used to invite clients. To invite a client on an existing case, add the @CP checklist item to the list. When you're ready to invite the client, mark the @CP checklist item as done. The client will receive an email inviting them to the portal and a text message if they have a mobile number listed on the Party tab. After clicking the link, your client is prompted to create their own password. Once completed, they're taken to their case activity feed where they'll see a welcome message from your team. When your client signs into their account for the first time, you'll receive a Neos message letting you know that they've confirmed their account. Also, the @CP checklist item gets updated to say confirmed, so you can see if a case has a confirmed portal user.